Can most Americans afford to actually buy a home? We're going to talk about it in this episode of Ryan and Real Estate. Welcome back to this episode of Ryan and Real Estate. This is a really good question. Can most Americans afford to buy a home? Surprisingly, the answer is simply no. Did you know that the average price of a home in 1970 was $17,000? Can you believe it? Yes, you heard it right, $17,000, with the average salary being $10,000. That means Americans were making more than half of the cost it took to buy an entire home in 1970. All right, here we go, reality check. Here it is. The average salary of a US citizen in the US today is $54,000. But the average cost of a home has now risen to $428,000. That means that home prices have increased by 2,417% in 50 years. Great Scott, that's a lot. But unfortunately, salaries have not followed the same suit as these prices. And this is what we call in real estate as the affordability gap, which means that population increases, you have limited inventory, and wages are not meeting the cost of home ownership. All these are the reason the normal American cannot buy a home. Fortunately, there's some great lending products that allow us to do that. You can't just, the average person's not making $300,000 where they can go buy that $450,000 house. So you're gonna have to get creative. You're gonna have to figure out ways to do this. The great thing is that home prices have obviously increased and are continuing to increase, which means if you're able to get in earlier, that means that's gonna actually help you be able to gain equity in that home, and you're gonna be able to build wealth without necessarily having to get a earning wage for that. So wanted to give you that information. If you have any questions about that, please let us know. Hopefully that wasn't all bad news. Not telling you not to buy a home, but I am telling you it's gone crazy and it doesn't look like it's changing anytime soon. And if you don't mind, take a minute, click that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us some comments, and check out some of these other videos that we've done. And we'd love to help you out any way we can, and we'll see you next time on Ryan and Real Estate.